60%. And one would tear bear money. And you almost there. And near my party, you my power, we are my Ashanti region tea. And this a t-shirt, I hope do our printed in my the whole political party be no my Ashanti region t-shirt more than MPP. Because here you pay t-shirt more. You saka t-shirt, you do my beya man, Captain, Mama, your t-shirt, and tin I'm a party in the loose, you know. And I'm a t-shirt in so fair. And also the general to about the MPP. And the MPP there, Asantema for the MPP and MPP for Asantema. And don't you know, say, will be a. So I say, Asantema for MPP and MPP for Asantema. The better MPP for the past 8 years. And you ma power give them ma Asantema and ma Asantema General got to about 2024 and more ba bemono. Yada o ma si o mo go so anu mo nya sa adwuma ne ma
MPP wa bem
no mo we o mo we
akoya na bolek
abu abem enunti MPP wa bem mo ana no so mo abem oko parliament ya party bear night within 8 months why press conference more than 62 enya MPP
momo abem
omo nti omo abem hwe captain yes obi nkaza MPP ni abem o so wo hwe dynamics ni abon say MPP wa abem because people don't know and you don't understand. MPP is the only political party in Ghana on betimi aye Ghana ye and nti da omo to opposition ko omo wa abem yes omo to opposition ko omo wa abem
nti wo se o ma ye swami interchange da wi
o ma ye swami interchange o ma ye anraga okwa wo fa ho
Debbie man for man.
Say me catch o. Oma so mo province here 5. Oma ye Swami, Oma ye Anraga, Oma ye Santasi. And Oma ye Bekwai. And ho nyina wa amfa.
Ene tafo de.
Ene tafo de no. Wa amfa ho.
Debbie say Santasi nam say me faase no man for so.
And o mu see market mako 5 e wa Ashanti region.
Ebi wo he. Ebi ni de he.
KJT phase 2. Your friend is say Krofrum. Oma ye omu ye ba ko e friend say ebu akwa
ho de no
omu ye
omu si awie
e ma ne gumu ye adwuma
omu se nkan
e race course
omu si race course saka ho
ai masa MPP adwuma omu ye ma Ashantifo na Ashantifo ne ye buni aye
sa
e de na ndisi ma ye no Ashanti
me se hwe se udru kuma se de o me si abu
Dabi and this year was Ashanti region. The NDC year was Ashanti region. Ye per Rotary Park and Ombeye. And Omuye KJT Popotra Bidema phase 1. Airport to Kromu Stati and Anekufado Daroma and Obabe Airport my Kayakrana Pre and Konanekufado so by why ye a Kwankaka Kayese Pre basis so international play and only I can say Bibeba. Because that was the only airport where you try a Memkofa play BBC was a international airport. And so up to date, international play behind Yamai. President Mahama on person and Kufuado and Munyamo Shas and Temabi no shed Dama play Mark Kumasi. Obia is idea won't pay.
That one go heavy.
Yes, idea won't pay MIA. You say we see Ashanti region in Sutwa. The only city in Ghana is Sutwa and Frade because of Nane Kufuado or buy a gates. Yes, during the Nane Kufuado time, what is Biafra? Mama time in so Frade.
Kufuado or the storm drains in Ankoyana.
So I don't know. So I don't know the Koya. And do shares and the Mamudia. In fact, MPP, my idea, pa, moments, MPP. Na party our bar power within 8 years. One yeshe kura maye no kachire yese. Sabana ye kwa akoto ni kukurubutini ye ni ayedia. Meboa. Timokoto abane men DC amono monto men MPP. Tenya president Kufuado na kai. Ani akoto men MPP. Ana
anti sese ba men na president o.
Doctor. Doctor na ye president. Ono na market timishe ono ba o so obekwa akoye phase 2 market no maako 25 52 maako hye na yere ko ho kokase ye bisi market na mamo ono amu ko na Akufo Addo ko na yere ko ho minister ko ho up to date market no yesi awie 52 market na Akufo Addo ba wo mea endisa ankrofo we no de mo na mo hu de o maye ba ye yas akanfo ne asantefo de ye nim de MPP ya magana enti o se e bo wo maso da ne da Jayo captain, there is no political party asantema watimi aye biya ma asantema ye ba ye drone no one be da e de namu wie mu sa na supply nro onpebe
what's to be na drone ko
ko bisa ba o me na me na bisa me
you na work
ko bisa ba o me me nyam na me na me di drone ba ko bisa ba o me no the next ankrofo we see omusi omu pe power adan ne moa wo mu na omu nya power e se eboa wo mu na omu nya power no musa de power no be ye adwuma de boa asantemai cause asantemai de MPP for the yete omo so a ne ya sorry party aba power schools nkoa o ma asantema more than 30 schools ba wasisi e dia ma asanteman mo sori a mo se MPP anya hwe
o si school mo si school mako 30
8 years e been see that in the history of Ghana Mahama promise you 200 work on over 80 pen or the ma asanteman mako 8 o ka so obema ye 13 no we 8 and Akufo Addo ba ye 30 asanteman
etisi hene
oh wo ko ka so abenya bi
na kwa me no fine o fine na be adwuma
oh edi ze wo hwe nyama Akufo Addo ye
o fine na ba
asante memu a so it's uncountable mabobo bebre yese nsu atoi ukokejetia ofa yi hono ma market na man titi nsu ni mo ton ade that is the market Akufo Addo bid for us.
Chese mum de waterproof market.
Yes, waterproof market. That is the market Akufo Addo be. Momo ko fefa down we be see what's market. Go and see now.
Yeah, tinsom to ade.
Yeah, tinsom ye to ade. Eno so na asantema ye pe. Ukwa asante sesi a factories Akufo Addo nkwa asante nko a wo ye 1750 factories in Ashanti region. Wo free power na 1100 aye ready ye adwuma den.
Factories be
apia menka kubusa apia
na what apinoso what say ne
kole kubusa
apinoso what say
musa na mo boka Akufo Addo achi captain adika na mo Akufo Addo anyahwe ama asantema ebi na mebobo
mu si factories
1750 factories in Ashanti region wo free power na 1112 are you ready ayi adwuma awa Ashanti region Kasa Preku first munko hwera munko eniwo
Kasa Preku Akufo Addo dia Akufo Addo dia
one district one factory meboa
Dahibium
tomato factory
ewe it's different
baby ayikosi university ni si ye no wo bono side wo refi
akomada ho no ebi ni ho
e dia na
ebi ni ho
wako ho na
hwe ni ho
wako ho so dia
ni ho hwe ni ho
wako ho when last did you visited Akomadan
na kwa me onum se ho ye me kwan hwe ni ho
we say when last Akufo Addo free power na ho ha na ho
na me wo he
but the next factory here
the next factory so Miami Chrome and carrier kwaso what afali ho
so say train na toto aso
oh so wa woni
that's the factories me answer toto
factories 3 and a toto aso
e wa Akomadan kwan so
block factory baako block factory baako
okay
and oye na adwe senka hospital na Mahama esi na wanti bi anwie no
near my equipment e be hospital equipment
and we divert sa what so the baako aye warehouse what you stock food no aye first buffer stop hospital no ye hwe masa nyama Akufo Addo aye na Ashanti region Just obi oyebuni aye.
Until factories 1100.
1100.
A year juma gidi. Now say market edwam ukwa enipa wo ho. Debi.
Emrante ni mabawa ya mo adwuma.
We now factory ho.
Obi wo factory ho no. Enye adwuma ketwa. And this also Asante region as will be better now. Be catch it. Say Asante member MPP anya hwea. Sinipa ne say who. Enunti na ye wo power no ye ntimi ante MPP MPC Asante man impunto for Asante man na mum ye kotena opposition no ye hunu say we need impunto. I
see 500 hospitals so kuma.
500 hospital. Unum chip compound kwa yesi 6,700 chip compound in Asante region alone.
That's region the case you say. I will go to 6,000 chip compound. What is it?
The only region in Ghana you have 47 district cause aname boa. Region Bena what's ade mano. Enya Asante region.
So it's 6,000 chips compound.
6,555 chip compound in Asante region. Nana Kufuado.
Never, Mama so that hope she better answer.
David translate my son hope that translate.
Yeah, that can make it.
I said man okay.
I don't know.
Oh my god too.
Sure too. I didn't do so. Yeah, we said that obey the about. Na asoma okay there. Assemble credit. Get a baby, you can be shame. You can be shame. But very unfortunate. But if I wait for about
Yuma Kufuad why ye or Asante region and I'm able because hope seem better because you are she. And so no
MPP.
When you perfect time or MPP when you do more the call Asante region.
Now say Akufo-Addo sees 1,750 factories.
Factories.
I was Asante
all free power. No 1,150. It's operating.
Sir,
I'm telling you. Onani baby awo okotwetwele abi wo ho
fashion
okotwetwele ayisi factory wo ho no mo a eno no omu ye adwuma de enkawe wo si 3 to aso 3
enkawe kwan mo factories mi ensa
president
sir
president Kofo ni kuromo Akufo-Addo si factory 2 akoko da ako
sir na wo akoko da ako ti akoko da ako ye ne
na ye adwuma
na ye adwuma
ye nyama na be ye adwuma
nti akoko da ako ye adwuma sisi a akwame papa no wanyi ne wadu ne fie so hwe no wandome ho
akoko da afo ye ne ba ye
na private
mam na wo refi mampon ayi plantain chip farm no mampon agogo anyama ye de ma won say body pa yesi heavy factory ama wo mo na say Akufo-Addo tam na body ho de o body an ebadwum and ye an yetimi ye body an ye bi begu ministries
and mu de ho ada and de ho dance and
ye di bi begu ministries
and mo ya de
say ministry for mo bi ameto body fam kofi
sir
yem pe any political party a ye ba power yetimi dua body ama ye di bi go Togo momo ba ye and a momo say one day set one factory body and ka ho na momo ye maize mo minister akuta we are no be sabe president here
in Asante region factories 1,150
Akufo-Addo free power now is operating go and check Bako the one carrying the sopa na fe 1,500 Akufo-Addo free power na Asante region kwa youth amomo adwuma ye population na 6 million no ama youth kwa 5,220 youth Asante region and 5 million our youth omu ye adwuma wa Asante region
no wonder the your bodu ka be for China for
very good
Yefa gabi o che da ko video no
because we didn't reach their roots. NPP let Ashanti down because they didn't have flyovers. But I have been in meetings where MPs from Ashanti region have said that and yet flyovers they want their community closer. And in politics, you are supposed to give people what they say they want, not what you think they want. They wanted their community goals. And when you look at the number of votes that was done in Ashanti region, per capita across the country, you can't say that any less Ashanti region. Yet, an apologizing for disappointing Ashanti, for neglecting Ashanti. Now, if you want to win in 2028, and this is right, that's what you have to say. One guy. There's a difference between humility, okay, and knocking yourself down. You can show humility, and let people know that, hey, you expected more from us, and we are sorry that we couldn't deliver all that you asked. But politics is a comparative game, in the sense that it is between you and I. That's what it means. So if you accept the propaganda and you say, forget about the propaganda, you accept or you say you did not do well. You did well under very difficult circumstances. But if you go on and looking at just the negatives, how then do you stand up and say 2028 is our best chance? How is 2028 going to be your best chance? How do you go and convince the Ghanaians the friend said, oh dear, I'm sorry, oh dear, I failed you, but my members is here. They don't wait your time, whatever that thing is. You must be bolder in defending what you did. You must be humble in accepting where you fell short.
Greater government organization, Grace.
And I say, I know you got to be watching that one. Pay for also your video in my and yes, sign a bobium. Now, I'm sorry for
I have a comment to me.
Oh, Memo Biki, maybe more quaba. Gabi say Ashanti region there yen na yempe mpuntu nti ye MPC no eba meeting ono wumbi akufado wo ho se Ashanti region there o ma ye in position ye beje ba odi mpuntu ba MPC ne say omumbe so ubo video no kwa akiri a one sha wo Ashanti region na wote a betwu kunti ba afa krom bela mkachi na wo okanya aka ba bi mani di atem mu ya mo se yen ni di atem ye ya no ya
ne da ho no se ma me kan ne da ho o se me
mo ye mpuntujo na kama
nya na Gabi kai Akufo-Addo ba power. The only regional Omayi post Ashanti region. They are 9 cabinet ministers. Na mkacho say Juma umudi Juma ba Ashanti region aseme boa. 9 cabinet ministers and another Akufo-Addo abem na Ashanti foni wu. Me boa kasem se me boa. Chief of staff Sechi Mensa Napo Asenso Boachi. Make it count now.
I said Educhum.
Man.
When we are
defense
deputy.
No, cabinet minister.
Now, minister do
okay,
that's it.
So,
yeah.
Bibia boko.
Nyankopado mboko.
You watch it. Tell Kanache.
Yes, hopa. Yes, ho.
Me pese obobo a ho na next week na date bia obinya. Wo promising ye friend sense wa bruni. Wa ma ya nye sa show.
Na so okro mo fa no metra ha o kase wi ana mi so mama.
Where?
O okro.
Se wa. So aba.
Ti mo fa no metra.
Ye bin ka wa o kasa na ka no abe so aba.
O do kase wi ana baba.
Second one dey me no be kan a kire won ya pa ho time ne ya ba. Gabi o cheda ko.
Yo, be that say.
Any Ashanti.
Ne fa ntia kase e ma omo mo hwe nyina. Ya papa la nkojo chairman tenso so eso chiamu. Na sabre ne party no de hwebe by next week de na kroma ye he say oh ne political party application or the kokotu mu EC yes it's almost ready na party no the spirit edeba the party's name everything I mean ebe catch up to say
MPP no
ebe catch up to say bushfire
say
MPP they say no
Dabi MPP Dabi
ejiminya sada enya sakra yempe omumusi onu bi kra we
omo de ne ena momo de ne
Dabi look ye nanano mu sunsum ni ade no Dabi enya we kra wo de munya botre ebeba out obi abehu say yes Alan onu ana apiaba no de eba be biem potential presidency for muba ye be primaries kama ni obenya na chese wadi ko da ni mu na bibia akọ so fefefe enti ne wo hono no Gabi Asare Ochirida ko wo hwe ni semu yo kan ya yaja o mu beka se eye kuko meeting so mu ye no Manchester ana what status o kasa na woman no sorry bi no so
no pe na meka soldier
yeah Greater Accra Women's Organizer a friend Grace just who say adena tijafa no sorry no pie who say na ha okum sia ye na nimu ti o utum say ade no enko yie ma no baako ani ade na yehwe the background to this say Emrebi President Mahama na in opposition okoye interview of Pan African TV the kasamun ano say okita tape Gabi Asare Ochirida ko we discuss about the shares of PDS eti eno no kwa no ye ayi say oni aban mu de enso so oba prosecute no in fact na meeting program ne live that time na program bi so ekoso ewo international conference center ana president wo ho Gabi mo ho nti ho na me sene link no edemano and was say asem was your conference in here asem and I'm say President Mahama so nya power be prosecute on PDS hey utum say na ni machine and I say what is the way for it was I will handle it on my own eneja yeja mu ma mi ma leki bi wo tama na 11 no ekoso no in parliament yabe pene yempene won se dru baby ya se Gabi akwasra Mahama odifie okay awokoya ya se na Mahama nyawe sorry o president no nyawe eto o mani gina gate chi beye 1 hour plus and so oba mu no satem no wo ko na nya yi le biasem na PDS asem ya na no de ko na Mahama as a politician smart ni ade no was a affirmation that was our discussion I just say bibia ye kama eti emu honum ana Gabi ba bonje be ka say no wakwete ka de say politics wonya politics bi any ade na wonya politics bi mu a me ogina hoye den ene ne law anya law. And no we say President Mahama promises say obe prosecute Nintino. I know ye smart say makwete politics. Say ne beya just say na say no kwa akoda. Na wasa kwa kutunshum asa hununju no. President Mahama orevia meka wanobe. Meka wanobe. So audio na wo any promise na o maye ewo Pan African TV no sorry sir mebo you know onua but medical semunti
that's how onka wonya
medical semunti say amafo hu ne meka na nkasa eti yesro bomodi ase obe hwe sansem no mu na baby ase ode to no ode ato now you see they can be kokoye no what the MPs no ato otankru wo mu I tell you say Ashanti youth sorry pa say enti say pa na netie impuntu oba na mo se mo mpe na say ni mo amu personal yinti mo anya the greater development as yenya e wa say who said that same besi
no but you know that no impuntu Juma been the course of Ashanti region the last 8 years
on the answer
Put to a baby. It's where I can want it.
Oh, Debbie. But you have been a contract in the last age.
As someone watching her, as someone watching her, why she wow, party for the goose.
Who more crowd they come on now? Who
party for the goose out of here? Because maybe I'm more boy, I'm minimum. May have a factory stars in our Canada. Adabraka. Ebra, even Alan Chabati or more Moya Grano, or no dear anymore Moyeno, it was 135. I know the free. Abemu 135
or say 135
across the country and ya chantre region gwan
wo de wona wo ko kwasa na
ya na mama kwasa o mo ye yesa na wo go ba bia you to go to Asante bia yes gold factory
na kware
ba bia you
and offer him ba
Asante mu bia yes gold factory
that is a galamsey no your factory
na ye dey
okay o ka dey say dey na fi maintenance ba so ne teno anti what day or time anababeto amanfo ne MPs omo Ashanti region entem
na wo say wo kasa na akonta mining e wo hini na Ashanti region e wo
e bi wa Ashanti e bi wa Western
oh yeah kasi yes good factory
so o say chairman sabonso anu ye leader of government business I will free Ashanti region so am MP wo twam wono say wonte da Omunshia or baby, and yes, our discussion in that. But they say, you are free.
Yeah,
I'm so about the casa.
Yeah.
So from 2017 up to August 2025, and so won't be face to face. One Shanida. In the 8 years in power near the Adina, one Shagabida. Let alone to say they were there to discuss something. Other MPs also sorry, Akika. Asante Achim South. MP ni so mahu se onne animadu
yes animadu
onne so aba bekasa se asem na wo kan de emfa kwan mu bibia nsi sada etu ba bisa ho se sa asem na no wo kan no wo kan sen just some kind of propaganda tool to energize the people say eya na se sen
no wo summit no ko bi
misani ma
David na me say eya no kra look Captain, there was a time, was it 20? One of the year, Mireille Yafi, me, Tatos Grover, John Kuma, Aduma Befi.
Tell that to your man, if he's a true MPP person. I have a big axe in my house.
Okuma.
Anytime I meet him anywhere in Kumasi,
Gabi,
I will open his brain to find out the kind of materials that were put together to form his brain.
Oh no.
What?
I heard JB say his name is Nana Kwame. In fact,
Nana Kwame. Nana Kwame.
In fact, Captain, I am boiling in my room. I am sitting right here at the carrier. He should come and show me where I could build that factory.
So make a choice.
Captain, Okachi ni pasa mesi wonin carrier.
Sir, what's in carrier kwa factories miansa?
Miansa and carrier ye mikro.
Sir,
contractor will see factory ni mi woni din nyina.
And also factory no ba ko fa ni pasa yin.
1,200.
Second one.
Miansa nkwa factory no nkwa. And carrier dia no nkwa 5,200.
Miansa no.
Miansa no.
I say ngabia for no bia ya dubai.
Na me ka wo jimechi. Ono ni pa na kana wati carrier. Me carrier ye microphone ko bisa carrier se mi fiwa. On tin carrier.
Carrier do free.
Ofri to azi ala jaiba.
Me free
Carrier do free ho. But factories na wo ho no no. Also fa for 5,200. Okay, back your block factory.
Back your block.
Next one there.
Your friends are mining.
Gold factory no.
Gold factory.
Ah,
and back there the last.
You do another one can and blue no.
Ah. What ni mo so jimechi.
And the last one there.
And Mahama you know. friends hospital dia ye warehouse no
Afari hospital
ye dia ye
Afari military
Dabi nka ye hospital no me warehouse
dia ye warehouse
ona ndo ebrogu
more convert hospital
so mo sibia kan wona sese mo se mo ebro be how many millions of metric tons now
and e ko be say 10 million
metric tons
ebronko a
they were
nka we dia na na Akufo-Addo oya ade
wa momo abro
factories miensa
wa moya
chairman ehoni eje afre
ye wo ona firo
de bentini
eje afre
ye de brand ya modede awo factory no hunu ntini e pamo no one team ya modede se de nyama Akufo-Addo ayam ntini e pamo no
MP no ho ye de brand time
enu nti ya gbefa oba na o Frastar house no ene ye de ne baaye se kono kobodawuru masa Hopsin Kawasem na kwana okasa no onimu nkawe me ka che ne ko
me hear the message
what's what nkawe no what you
ka che se me se oboa on tinkawe
but you send me message me when I send the message is the bad empathy no you who send nkawe here na otia
hey azamo yo
okay captain ask him to tell us the exact location at Nkawe we want to go and look for the whole factory
okay mame mo bon kire no uduro safali de wonim dada
de
Mahama hospital no ntia ya convert ba ko dia ye buffer stock you know say o de wonim dada
okay
say de si order ukra won ko order so wa ko order
okay
ena ye friend say gold factory no e wa twemampo no a ye friend say tabu ayi ye friend say baby ananso mu kokum nipa
na me
gold for ye mu kokum nipa
me na me hobby
ba kusi ho no ena wo koto ase a baby a Dr. Frimpong Manso ne hospital ne wo no
the way message is written Kumasi man you have no idea
because wo muti Kumasi wo muntu kwan me na me kira wo mu baby a na Akufo-Addo factories ni sisie na wo ti Kumasi na wo nkonkawe abede wo mu si factory wo no dia say na mo okay and my church no pa won ko
wa chire mo ho no wo de ko
na mo fresh
na wo so
mo ko jija ho photo mfa mre
Captain Smart
how many times did I call you?
Sack can also what's that
Banco school
sack that guy from your studio
hey na juma Akufo-Addo ayezo o kan ayesa me dem me hu ye de but onu na eka so onu na hu
captain hope so betra watimi abose alanchemato omu ye 135 that has confirmed
across the nation
anyanka enye Kumasi
enye Ashanti region pe across the nation
Kumasi asem
the odi Akufo-Addo aduma no commission ye
ebuakwa block factory ebuakwa block factory
it's side way
one my ebuakwa ne nkawe mane ne so the onse office ya woko sunwan and office ya woko nkawe Johnson aso awo yese woko sunwan no a block factory isi ho opate se Akufo-Addo ani
anu so fani bazan
and they say 800
okay
800
Captain what the gentleman is saying is very true
hey
hold on I am standing at KJTL right now I can see a train in the sky
start with obiye bia no ma bona base
I see Captain video ba no si no de be ka nyina ne se me Gabi kokoye no eno no me de me metimi dem a me hwe no na me bo mi nsam because say party na nkasa egu and say omomo ne ngu prego na fe Ghana for ye honto yen whether you like it or not MPP is a declining party na kwa biti ha wo bobo nse mu se nyina no me pesa wo ti ase play se party no ye declining party
be ya
no MPP party ni a declining party
e wa be yes na
more power
party ayo power be ka che say declining
onim se MPP ade papa bia Jo Mahama ben eye bia no omo se ye omo
sa na mo so mo ka kire
wo de nya botre me ka se bia ba omo se ye omo na se okokonya sa Japanese grant 3 billion omo se eye omo na ye to ho yani ade omo okokoye de mpo omo se ye omo oye wei omo se ye omo yani ade anafe galamsey say o man won dey o mo say nyomo how can you talk like this
na ya
eje mo na ehwan ya galamsey na say ya de eku nipa de o mo dwane firi ho meanwhile eje mo na mo kokoye law say amanfo enwura kwaye no mu
enso ni yedu
nanka eye den ananka yi kwaye mu ayewura nyina no akwakoye company ba ko a ye ka de
ye sika kumasi asem ka
enu asem na mike gabi asem na mike so a tese eye party chairman bi company pe enitimi wura kwaye mu ss kwaye adentia na saade we nyina ba ye wodi mu say the minister ale want to meeting na meeting mu
agwara se be so se hwe di tisi sa kufaru
Engabe ozi obium ada obezi wono
omobo eni atiawa ne se kufuado
wagazo bia se kufuado
tisuti ana me se ye wana ni tise kufuado mo de mo a mo hwe pa
ai fa na na ja se
mo de mo hwe wo ka wa se no no huru so be kan ntira wo ni be fam
eti MVP ni de asempapa bia o mo ka ho bone de na o mo atwa mo ho afiri ho se mo fi se papa mo ka ho a na bone ni so mo njintum say yes ya ne de bone ni baaye sre mo mie nyina ye nka bom na ye nyeden ni ye nsobo eno no ebeboa anope ya na metu wo mo aye baakofo me bayai anaja radio station mi frame mi hwese na akwa ne se kasa na wo twabo ministers na me say eh wo pese o chairman free cells because of bail conditions.
The chairman mayor.
The chairman won't to me.
One day so or long overdue. But check crowd.
Oh, said no from court no the no kokotu mo other cells. So on that no. It is our person more go bail conditions more. O kasa should be apologetic. Member at a point was say trouble Sam George or no minister ne yire na hwe no ana okuje to abrako an sister ne hide money 2 million gaga. Me say look, o kasa say ya. How can you get that sympathy from? You can say impenifo no. You need to sound apologetic. Appeal to them. Emrano ana ka court say ana tia. You can say amount of muhiani ye here property ebe worth this. The timi ama bail. Ana fe nso ye nka ye de sika to obi so say sika we ne de ato so for bail a. E je se ko kan sika no cash nefa beto ho enye sa na kire. Nemom nipa na oba be beli nipa no esi se wonya japade bia eton a ebenya sa sika no eti se police foko kohwe no mu se wo dan we de ye to a ye betimanya no 15 million se ne court akana na afi ya certify so yes se wo betima beli nipa no no aba be sai enye sika wo be sisa gu bag mu na wo de akoho no mu se misika nie se de amanfo e ka no na ya se won twa 50 million ya se won se twa 10 million na se wo tumi okofa se sika no he obi anka se won fa sika meto
o tell me
owo sika
what you owo ba de anka se won fa sika bia meto so won dey no enti yan get it sad way clear Mr. President ya besro what the ka shega na fobo se wo be make sure se nwa ma betoto ade ba ko a Ghana for edidwa Akufo-Addo anka first time no kra no nko mo ya pam no eni se wo ka se na corruption koso obo be prosecute a wo failure eti ni second time ko wie no se oh sa wakasa se mu nyina che se wantimi anya ho hwe wo say President Mahama corrupt ya ba be prosecute no wantimi man prosecute no na che sa tro na odi kire ye wo hu se de wo mo pamo no eyeye me masa de no bi ento eti ma wano asem no anya aduma prosecute them
yeah hwe
prosecute them
yeah hwe
mema obi nkonkotena se na asofo no ba bomudi wa bonten ehimfo no ba fo mudi to abonten montimi a mo frɛ ye de beto abonten so mu jani omo ye no ye nyina ye se pese a build this country oh amanfo wie sika anda yesu wo ho ye chini pa no so a mo se ye nti ase ade na mo chichi wo mo ne ye kai ka ho ye be ye dan me a build this country so ye besre ora investigations o mo aye ene adwuma mo ye nyina mo de court na court se wato asem na gukura amanfo ho se mo de court na mo mayen court emia ntungu ye make sure say court na ye kono ye bibia ye solid ye bibia ye solid eti ye besre emi before mo de ngabe akasa montie no ja yonko ye nim da bibia enye kama da ye de enim se Sunday si hunfuno Ghana fo a no mo kasa o mbese san o mo a enko MPP bi mu da because Ghana fo hu ni MPP fo aye wo Ghana fo kate be se dakro se MPP ni betra ha no wo kagalam se asemo a mo emfachira no mo ntosh na pomro na fa be si nanim kate se som be kasa se galam se no menya involve de hwe bi gu form sisi a neto aso wonti mi nyada obesoro adwane
na MPP o kasa obe ba hade
na uti
so me a branch me a branch of captain asamo
and then said what your project kabeka sa mo conversion happen be mesi dedi
onye maybe a branch executive
yes fam no
but it's not na
maybe a branch executive of MPP hopes in adoye sa ade ma na oye no enye
on kwa no a parliamentary candidate
and kwa na kame be kan wo ka ho
he but MPP so ehu
hwe
o parliamentary candidate jai o former general secretary we jai former presidential candidate we jai
and I want kasa so
former communication director former minister why Northern Regional minister Western Housing be himfa youth employment in the Kaka on so Abubakar Sadiq
chama untumi on Ghana asem dey me fa ye can serious ye can as it is ade a me hu Ghana mpanimfo say they are broad sockets domunum moja yes Ghana mpanimfo they are broad sockets domunum moja adentina America sa mahwe hu wo Ghana hasa atna se ahwe ne ma bi dia hu say Ghana hasa se ade ese ya mpanimfo no hu say ese but se moja hwe mu hu a
no wo munye
yes this is moja hwe egu o hwe ya kwan a o tin se kwan we say eye trap pa betimi akum nipa o mba ya hwe ha ma kwan na kum nipa ansa na ade achi a yakwa akoye ensu a etuto Ghana eyiri fa Ghana nyina ye mpanimfo ya aware very much aware in fact they know all the demarcations ya ensu to a say ha say the ensu to a ebufa so they know all of them but up to now baby no matimi affix no matina wono mo na se enso na ja ato no ma first excavator besi so na o ma bi so on the way they are galamse asema yeke enkosi da ben na galamse eni enya e wo Ghana hase that is one area sometimes em say maybe President Mahama na me din ho ya for the first media encounter now people were requesting for a friend is a state of emergency nanu dia wode buy. In fact I was very disappointed about that to the extent they said tamano moye campaign they said a lot of things about this Galamsey issues how most of his ministers now were saying say omo ba 2 weeks omo betimi Galamsey every honor ababe drumo so ye beautiful promise made
so 2 weeks
I am ka say 2 weeks omo betimi
one gaza
oh Sam George yeti who could it
one ka 2 weeks
omo ka say
one kada
omo ka say
wase omo ba omo bedi huduma be one ka one madam
they give us specific
oh Debbie
go and listen to the tape
why he farmer is here
na say power pa
no farmer any more you see ma in as much say yeah pepper one me ni draw
ono ha da power we me ka say me power me party of power da yeah people ona power ko power me ka say me power pacho ma promise you say mo ba mo be ya dey for we are expecting you say mo ba mo be here for simple Safini. Galam said, Galam
we have message me on phone so.
Beba. Is that kakra for phone?
I didn't hear me phone so. I said me
ya masoloko. Ya na biko.
Na ya boate. Da be yo se meti ha. Na me yo ma kakra.
Asante for and Kumasi for more bufu because they are penny nyano.
Or say in fact this Nana Kwame guy is provoking most of we the residents in Gary and its environs. To be honest with you, MPP did absolutely nothing for us, the people of Ashanti region.
That's why we continue voting for them because we did something for them.
We are already annoyed with the party.
No.
And this guy is just inflaming passions.
Because some opposition
tell him to stop provoking us.
They should tell them to stop voting for them.
I know his car garage at Kumasi and Accra.
As someone to
we will come there for him to show us the factory at Nkawie.
I'm telling you.
Oh, okay.
Listen, Nkawie you be at the but on Tiho.
Are you?
As a American. It means me garam say as a American and chama won to me. One of the biggest chama ewo Ghana hasiya was see the biggest akonta mining factory. Ewo Kumasi amama for ye mo adwuma and am said na mo tete no. Because nipa na mankrofo adwuma eye. Chama won to me. The only chairman in Ghana what Timia created a Juma ma a nipa almost about 1 million youth in Asante region a Juma or more year. Will be a what Timia Sifia. Kumasi Kejetia.
No, who much?
Me patch on my men say Juma wa created one and make a children. Security is now holding na a chama to me security. Kumasi Kejetia. Mama men can't.
Yeah, because one the security for no paper back kra anyhow.
That
is the most corrupt aspect of it all. Ono na the security call hono. But security no dey mo call hono no.
Yeah, registered.
Paper back say. Kata back say anyhow. Omo mo pra hono mo ni na no. Omo na mo pra hono mo. Na yo mo nko fo. Nti afre ne so a no omo tuetu mo ka. Paper back say. But the MPP employed those people.
Akonta mining kwa ye yetimije concession ni asade amancrofo se munya adwuma ye woni pa almost about 2000 omu ewo branch of akonta mania omu ye adwuma wo hono. Is it not part of employment? Is it adwuma ya create ade ama Ashanti mine ewo Ashanti region amonka no eno na ya na ye me ya na momu no de anya de na masan mo na mo kan jama wontumi me de me no Mishuni Brebreo, Mukasu on Flamenco. Or not let me see the palace. Our Santimema, the whole Ghana BC bidder, when employment I will create was Adano. Beer with Timmy Bettina, Yenny wo good. When we say Chama want to me have money. We are talking about though is gold. What he has said now, Obekachre saying Kriti Juma Ashanti region. Chama want to me. What town am the turning in a machine because of a Juma or created Dima MPP Mebunu Asante region. Our Munya Juma ye at coming 2028 or by the chairman of our beloved party MPP. Namashada fan hotel no na mo han. Na
muntu abale no dance wamo. Muntu abale no dance.
Ya beto amano na de ye dikroma say na obi kwasa ni DC wo wu ya yekoto abo wini ye. Oko dance wom ya beto amano. Chairman, Captain, Galam says somewhere you can let us be serious about it. Because a dig Ghana.
Captain Smart, how I wish I can punch this guy in my TV.
You should come and do it. And you won't punch in the TV, no. I know the Bebuano. I won't punch in our TV, no. I know the Bebuano. Captain, Galam says somewhere you can. Crowe say, Debbie, I'm very funny. So the youth is the future of the nation, whereby they know there is no future for us. But they always deceiving us. The youth of tomorrow. Why is that tomorrow? We don't have that tomorrow anymore. and they are always deceiving us, telling us big grammars. No more country, the youth of tomorrow. What are the futures of the youth of tomorrow? What legacy are they leaving for us? The most annoying thing, the Galamsey is not only destroying the land or our water bodies, it is also killing people. It's killing the youth. It's deforming and colliding. Ama sebi mpredua will be a wonim Galamsey hoshe yesi somana manako akoye responsible mining and yetiana play kukum nipa ka Major Mahama yeso ko fight Galamsey yekuku ne kwa enti se wo hye ye mpanimfo se no me blood sockets na omusaki blood na se me ka kire mo se ye mpanimfo no they are the most wicked. And when I'm talking about ye mpanimfo, make I said Mahama administration general the whole Benin Ghana, from the chiefs, from the pastors, whosoever, they are so wicked and corrupt to the extent they say they don't want to leave the future for the youth. They want to destroy the future for the youth. That's it. So say we don't know. Yeah, dead bodies because there is nothing left for us. To the extent they say started. Hey, can your friend say former finance minister will be this? They say why or America. And now no who's a bag be done a chair and a girl said the hero didn't change or Gentiawa America. And we jay hand yet most of our leaders God watching that who I see. Now no me who's about consult or boss and Pedunu said you. Yeah. Back a chief executive say executive secretary. We did too.
Oh, well, that's a hope so now.
Answer on the new year. Autonom, come. These are the people that have destroyed this land for us. At the end of the day, Oma running away and Oma just asking a quite Corona Maya say you're running in the way we likes. JD Mobile was setting up committees upon committees and Niema, but the mining is still going on. Okay. You see a responsible mining. As a responsible that I am, now my name party as a Juma ye be man or ye konu so what take say fine. No so bien where ye dirty Ghana has seen.
Tamna mokono.
Tama ye kono. We are dancing.
Oh, here be all. Mampo said don't mention my name, but ask him if he knows Amuzu Bitters.
Yeah, more recommendation.
Yes. You know. Amuzu minimum. What's it to be brand? We all know that being to be brand. Nana, why would you? Yeah, community would one dance yourself. Yeah,
community Thai factory one day.
Very good.
We are no besides the members as only Mamuzu Bit.
I don't see a factory. One district, one factory.
We see
Thai factory. Can see a pen on 7 million.
That another good idea, that's it.
And then to Nana Yahweh, see, Thai
7,000. I'm from Wajuma.
7 million.
Any 7 million.
What's the place you say?
Then no Kumasi quiet the whole Ghana you fair beefy baby because no Kumasi China for count, India for count.
Tomorrow your Thai factory.
Now what we are the only political party Juma a day back Ghana and you back cram out for a framan on Yaba. And I'm not aware of that.
Okay.
When you're aware of that, Captain, I am Mama say I'm not Bibinia, Timoni.
And the horn music and the choir and I said,
Wa Kanokre. NL Lotu, a bag Ghana employment you get a BC died the history of Ghana. And Namiti Krum has said,
I am from Kumasi, I just got to your compound. I am waiting for this guy. Tell him not to come outside.
The best chief executive for Yenya Ukroma and Samia Uku. Creating employment, yes, they say Ghana Mananti. What am say broken heart in Hobio?
Sir?
Dabi. What about me broken heart? Because lot of broken your heart. A kakakrebi.
Na creative art school ne okada.
Dabi me wie loto.
Broken heart. Who Ghana ni bema bi oyo oba no ayo age se wo ko break o bema we heart ya. O boa.
Loto na break that.
Loto na break o bi heart. O kakakrebi na midi too sure. And that is another employment that we have created for the youth to learn how to get use of broken hearts. What you have we open there?
Share NLA. Ya who say be amakwa will be 50,000. That is published. Say akwakoma sa institution with 50,000. And so beko or mubu kumu or hono. Maybe a 500,000.
A creating of employment. Hey. Because I am backlog. Backlog. Creating of employment is a backlog.
I don't know.
As I make
50,000 from 500,000, 450,000.
Na pacho party man omu ye adwuma mai. Hey. Omu endidi. Ade ase na ya na mo. Omu di dia nye omu nye Ghana fo.
What is that? Go papa na come here.
Let's say serious answer no again.
What about the best now before this easy?
Na wait them pacho. President Mahama, I think say NLA hoyi. Yes say Oma wani nso ko because we share duma the fourth estate for na year.
Yeah.
Ene briefs are me nyana. Hey. O say NLA aban sheda mfasika nko ho say yaye budget amamu. Eye free money eba. Sa free money na eba no. Ese say aban de ye adwuma. Na yetia say you see Ghana ya na mro focus ye jimi a eya na ye ntiase.
Ayo.
Wo ja say ade ye national ayi. Wo na wo ye chese ogboro. Obi a wo hye wase bia no na control nipa no. Na wakwa ko fo obi ehye wase. Wono ana yitwa sika no hu. Wo na wo ye boss no. Wo hu sika eba. Se ene ye krosu let loto no ene afternoon rush o se de na omoye no. Se 12 no omu krosu o se de yun. KGL for ebehu se yanya amount to say NLA boss onim. Bosome no so a na omate ne omope na omode ama.
Mahama nye.
Wo say? Esi so sense ade no
creating of employment ibi no. Ya create akwa I am employment creating. What say mama dwuma ye?
Boys we did.
Apostle Abraham Lincoln. Good morning, Captain. Is this your man for real? I can see he doesn't know much. Look at his forehead.
Very beautiful. Like a woman forehead. Ajuma asema okay. Once you are creating employment, mobile munya biye. So say Mahama.
Dabi. Ah, na before say mobile na anyhow.
Canada. So wakohoda.
Makohoda.
So homeland spirit no.
Yes.
Etwo no. Ya no ma twere words bi egu hokai. O say yours is to discover.
Yes.
Yours is to discover. What you say? Ya chichi kro na to. Tu dia ne say obeba ba discover. Yes. O dia no so obeba no obeba ba discover.
Ti sami ogube discover e.
Discover. And in their law, we refer to well, see, you can kill the law, but don't bend the law. You can bend the law, but don't kill the law.
Okay.
Because the law
is the law. Is the law.
So I say, and there sometimes it is to create employment for the other people who don't have yanko school. No? Because too many are what they to do
consolidated fund and would employment creating. As
now, what you are going to fund
near him.
Baby, I will see this as can go. I dear Betty now from Mahama 7 on Shehui.
That's all you can.
And yeah, Juma.
Creating
an employment is such. Ghana Namunum said he is secret employment. Okwabucha lawyers for me. This is how they do. Because of Omakwa Bosia and the Diako school, it will be very difficult for a lawyer to handle a case here, whatever court will be difficult. Because when they far a Bible, no just can't Because obi I know the case make command
message me man o.
There be what the man onyame. So I just say.
Ya no atete na.
Hey,
Kai.
what's it, Captain? Please tell this guy to get a bodyguard before coming out of your premises. He is tempting our patients.
Na me pese me use we na o mu ye kumase fo na bia na o mu ya akrafo. Wo ma mo test nyina ye kumase fo ana. Eno na me mente ase no. Because kumase fo de yempo MPP is for Ashanti and Ashanti is for MPP. That is why we always voted for them. So what are they talking about? Not until they change their mind. Now 47 MP no. No mama Abia MP
more 40.
Beba. No mama Abia MPP 10. No mama other political party dia kanu dia. But till then MPP is for Asanteman, Asanteman is for MPP. Na nya ene utimi ba yokroma etimi ka chese Asanteman mo dia wudi nantwi odwa akra bitu ebeto amam. So what are they talking about? If you haven't received such employment, how would you vote such? And that's no more can. Way, Adia Winya on Faso, wo Obakosu at the Achiri.
Ah, many MPP from Faso, my frame.
Very good.
My frame.
And now, yet I say,
my name was Faso.
I tell you,
Yenya factories no ho no mo yenya rose no akomuda so di echi
anti factories ni that's one MPP mu no.
Yes, because that is your first one yenya nti obi ka tell me say some na America no enya adwuma then they should stop voting for them because woman nya de obeso munya
1150 factories
in Ashanti region, 5 interchanges
including creative art school.
Sales market, creative art. Bushu. Urafi, busha. Nini na ade ya creative employment ama wo mu. It is a what you say now catch them say. Minya the American no, why you are still voting for that person?
The MPP pa dey do say.
Captain Rubabia. Aha, bridge no kwa mi urafi ba.
Bridge be.
Esofia kwa.
Atafwa take say.
That's a commercial interview.
Little secret.
Atafwa take say asaso bwachi eri no. Na President Akufo-Addo.
And they say a kind of 5 were half 5 as well.
A big currency kumase da.
10 lanes.
Hey. Away. Atafwa debe 10 lanes.
Let's say.
Atafwa ye we half a high half.
Oh, when you be can let us see aye.
Oh. One lane do one lane.
5 lanes.
5 lanes. Onko na wo je bia wo kasa ufri kumase ba wa kumase bi.
Ba ko ba ta ko kumase.
5 lanes.
Yes.
They say motorway aye.
In the history of Asantemam.
Then you pay 5 for 5.
And also be club as Sophia.
Ah, Sophia minimum ba o.
Only more. Every club of them do hanging.
E je omo bubu dan na wo ho mu nyina na se de.
Go there and see. The most beautiful land. Road.
Come on.
I say County, good morning. Please ask Nana Kwame. If only 2 hours he says the truth. He should look straight to the camera. Was it if only he's saying the truth? He should look straight to the camera. His head old. His head like coconut. I know the coconut picture. We are waiting for him here in your premises. Ajibiono,
to the extent they say, Captain Ebia Sama make an Asanteman, Ebia woman Jimindi. Na Manindru Abatros, one abos Asanteman, a puntua MPP de Mai, and also the Efe, near their Twaba. I never think you're caught about the MPP. Even though you see MPP was Ashanti region cry, no almost 60 to 65%. You see cry your buofuno, and you almost 60 to 65%. And they say a buying a bimawa. How dare you so to me or Naso from an upper 5 o'clock, a cotua badima MPP. If they know MPP done nothing in Ashanti region, what are they talking about? Yadia Accra has say, you will 33 seat, Meboa. You will say MPP 4, I share my Yakoto by a moment 3 seat. And I'm Meboa. MPP now only 3 seat in Greater Accra because you also my young Puntu Juma are my
yeah.
But you have 47 seats. You choose to give them 40 seats. What does that mean? What we say Puntu alcohol and until I walk to a man. So what are they talking about?
Captain, I'm a message back. Where Francisca or your bar? Also, Captain, please tell the man sitting beside you that I will marry him. Because my house will always be like a smiling place.
So what you say? Auntie, about to home.
But your mom will be no more. Mamma, somebody you can feel.
Don't worry, and let me your bodyguard. Don't worry, your bodyguard.
I'm not useful.
Woto aba apempuntuo edi aba ukurum anameboa enunti ene yekokoto aba yenkonkoto aba for life say abaite me bo life akwa akoto enti se wo enipa 100 na mo koto aba enam puntudwuma amede aba bukuro sunti emu nanti etomamia. What does that mean? It means say mabro mpuntu anameboa. It is a mijaka chero say MPP puntu a wo mudi akba santeman eno so ne ejira de to aba adenti na mo mujira baabi na mo kasa se mo ye se mo ne mo pass MPP nya bibi ema asantemaya mabon to aba ma.
In fact, where is the final message?
Captain, please give me that guy full name. I won't curse him to the deity of Antwerp. Yes, it's serious. Hey.
Okay. Catcher me say.
What's more full name no more?
Kenneth Nana Kwame Asamoah.
Antoine Kenneth.
Okay, Kwame Asamoah. Nakache nipa ni say so ya Santinia onunsu modua say from 1992 on to ongusu ento abama MPP ana na woto aba no e de puntu onu anya on kanchire simple obodua no money sa ana as long as I say we will continue to vote for MPP, that means Oma Yempuntu Juma.
Na numbers na obobo no monte ase no.
Numbers no. They need to understand the numbers to the extent they say those numbers no American. Now hopes ya wokan. Now hopes ya wokan. Wo akra ha say enuma ye nyina na oni. Wa kwa akra ha nyina si ana. Very good. Enti be pa chaw sa wotin carry na wontu kwan enko be kwai enko hwe puntudwuma ayaye wo ha. Don't sit down. Be kwa hospital ye ba ye mi Urufiana.
And a Massassi hotel.
And Massassi hotel.
I can't be quite hospital. I went to 430 bed hotel.
435 for crowd and 5 for the executives. The reaction that fan come.
To 430.
After a nipa 2,300 Santi be quiet. Very good. Massa, and Yama Yayo Kumasi. Okay, me busa myself.
And I don't know why be quiet. Hospital.
Hopes. We are
ya kwa na Kwame kasa no beka asawase asem na
ai asawase zongo hono ma yesi grass factory e de ma wo
eh bra asawase asem na wo ka no
ai asawase zongo wa wo munim
asawase be menhia na menhia be hu
na de benhia de bia no na masawase kwa so
menshane
aswase na machire baabi esi no aswase zongo ho a esi grass factory e de ma wo mu they are aware of this
yebe
na Akufo Addo wo free abaso yi abaya wo say busa yi yes from 2017 to 2024 years the power dey esi grass factory ama aswase ama na fa nipa 7,300
the aswase musi grass factory if any pass 7,300
a hokra so MP no nye MP o DC MP obedi ade wo honom for almost a decade ni ye basic grass factory e de ma so asefo na de fekura okumasi a eno kura de me pese me boso eye bonkra
Bonkra Inland Port.
Bonkra il oh captain say unim da din no. Bonkra go there and see. Say you started say ye rain. Ma ba yi ba no matwa so. Ya ye rain na from Tema. E di besi kononwo boy sango.
Na kononwo boy sango.
Kono otia kononwo a onye odumase. Tu furo odumase a. Oh, bi refi waka me. Usi kononwo a ye iron factory.
Iron rocks.
No. Sunny ya oh no dey na shut down for the park maybe 8,000. Na factory ni musa.
Ade wona mo yoto obi anya adwuma.
Yeah, anu free wa. Yania ya kasa ya bompa ya ma yania ya sofo. Second chance. Philadelphia. So one so there.
Adum Chedia. And that's already one district one factory.
One district one.
Sorry no.
Every year the per economy is more than 5 million. Sorry no.
One district one factory.
Sorry no. No best we say na mo pedi baby.
Na mami.
Philadelphia sorry.
One district one factory.
Nana, we officer senya miesi ya. Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia okoho no. E dey asem.
Okoje kata.
We say papa fa wakata so ne kata me so na me nyese woni bi. Na mo fi say dey enti le wo. Enti we share one district one factory. Ye creative wo Asantemem one district one factory. Hey, ajada wa mi wure fi.
Eno musi say.
Ye ka see ebema na say Asante region unum say ho ne kotwa ahomem.
Yes, me aware.
Very good.
As one say for that starters and listen. Alhaji Bukari say.
Dabi Bukari nya bote. Ana yesasi
agenda wa musi say.
Agenda 111 kwa Asante region yesima kuma 66 completed fully finished.
Asante region ka say mo 17.
Dabi 17 no within in Kumasi. Nya Asante region within Kumasi Enclave.
Can you be asking? Yeah, serious discussion no. Sapo. What is it there? That the guy thing is on comedy show.
Na MPP ya party nya comedy here. MPP party no, ya comedians. And nothing dey Asante media.
But Alhaji say Aswase factory ni si Aswase hen.
And I make catch Aswase police station na chidalo won want
police station na chi.
Police station na chi gota kese na no. Wa na grass factory ni si.
Alhaji, pacho wachire o.
Opa onko ho no.
Gata kese na no.
Yes.
And it be for 8,000.
Yes.
Na go pa. That wa mu wie say.
And I make catch no. Kumasi dia no na wo ka 17. Ye wo greater Kumasi wo.
Okay.
And ye wo Ashanti region. Etini nya ye momo 64 finish.
Agenda 111.
Agenda 111.
Hospital agenda 111.
Hospital agenda 111. A year Juma go there. Opa me mention ni nyina kire wo. Enti yei obi ka kire yei Asante man se MPP. Wa mo ne ho modern wa Asante region se nipa ni se hu. Enu nti na da ne da ye ko gina line mu fra no pa. Kopma ni ye to aba e de ma Asante. Enti se me ka kire Asante man se. So omo gitu mo pa se sa niema we. Eni Asante man mu a 2028 ma wo mpa ba ma.
I say we should bring you every morning so you can cure people's BP.
Broken heart for doors.
Na kwa me. O kani na no mention North and South yent development bia ho.
Na opportunity wana na see.
Opportunity asawase.
Hwe. Asase no tafo manhia asase no de koja ma asawase for. Asawase for nya o mu.
Mention North and South.
Ma menchiro. Mention North. Akwatian your friend say Kennedy. Akwasi nyako.
Da bia akwasi
nyako.
Kunadu,
yes.
Akwasi
Kunadu, yeah. Yes.
Wa hu ma yanka na ikosi ye no. Abatwa. Wa hu.
Ewo ho.
O de be mo say America fo be kum mo nkokora ho.
Very good. Wa hu.
mention of.
Sure. Hey, but they are not yet come if you say you are growing.
Agenda 111.
I know what's
agenda 166. Finished, completed. Ashanti region.
Ashanti region.
Yes.
Na
baby ayakwa cut so the hen akapese be so ayi.
Eno utie regional minister.
Ashanti region. Oh ja no on social media no say no ye was say my ye ko no media.
Na keta se.
Wo ba ye kwa. Ya office ya renovate di ama wo no akotwa baby aba say sa na office ni jama wo. Ade na mo ye sa.
Onim ne dia me frem bibi.
Say I want to make
me krum.
One was a musi day. About one is your
mention of. Mention of.
About one kwa yesi makuma ko 5 e Kumasi. Eh, about one.
Say first nasa pa na ebo che.
Kubusano.
Ena kwesichi. Ena kwesichi susu ye member.
Kubusano. Abattoir. Bakuma ko 5 and you see Ashanti region.
Enti keta port no so.
And you could.
And yes in defense of port.
And you could massive.
E kan wo bi na maja MPP no. One pointing director general.
Minim na meka wo mikro Ashanti because o two for na no permit ya wo. O se ma Ashanti hu hia wo. Na ne kai. Ti baby a wo ko bi ese wo ton Ashanti.
Ese wo chia na chia menzo.
Na me chia wo bo mu.
We kwa koto no.
Na chia me. Menshia south to. E fa na ho no mo de. E man complete design. Fa na ho no mo no. Ya man complete design.
Manyebu.
She.
Manyebu. Nana onion.
I don't say you complete design.
Ya man complete design. Oh manshia. What call all commercial Nancy. Nancy I want you you ko.
Dabi.
Na me ka asem kire wa wu. Ya man ko. Na wonim. When they come in terms of MPP, Asante for Nana womunim say ye de boy homode.
No, Nana say ma Asante say mu hia. Be wan ga say ma MPP say mu hia.
Da be say me MPP ni. Asante na me kan MPP asem.
The MPP for year Asante region.
Na me kan. Me ka say me free MPP.
Se me just ade man.
Say the one free MPP no. Say dem be free mu no so free mu.
Dem don free mo.
Me asem me kan no. Yeah Asante asem ye nye party asem. Na nye sa.
The senior MPP
aye wa Asante region and America.
Oh,
dimension sa.
E dey tin dey to abama wo.
And you are saying the same thing.
Bushia na we hene.
No, a creative art school work kwada so. But sticker. Na ho mo ye den ho.
Sticker ho. Adanya ho na make you say you interchange you ho. Santasi
and creative arts college.
And creative art.
Na moye international airport. Adentina international flight into me maho.
Then I make catch there was a flight no. First one I buy and be no problem. And I'm buy what said the bun near goose was say ya na. I didn't ya a boissy gold mines. Yeah, me refi. A boissy gold mines.
And then I come out on once.
Me bois.
Another darrow.
Yeah. A boissy gold mines so yeah. A horse cry. You buy na employment at Obuasi gold mines. No more 500. You buy increase to 6,000. Obuasi gold mines. No. Nansenye no cry come ya mam refi. Baby I play what if what is here see hotel?
Hotel. The hotel.
Forest Hotel.
No watching the woman.
And maybe before that goes you
Nanka. Na ho NDC for assassin. Na ho NDC for assassin.
Keti ha mo no so mo.
Hey, Keti. Adansi asokwa.
Yeah.
What Mante? Materials when ya palm free wo. What them factory ya kosi ama adansi asokwa omo ya fabrics.
Adansi asokwa.
Ya kosi fabrics factory wo ho no ma fa nipa 7.2.
Asa adansi asokwa.
For mana and yes, I'm hospital. Yeah, I'm hospital. For me, I'm hospital. We hold them direct. apart from one district say some come 2 hospitals one district one factory baako and baako no Mahama start here
agenda 111
timi anya ye be wi
no
and yes am o agenda 111 factory fabrics and ya ntina formula for akwa friend say second deputy say we 10 dey beti na wodi
na di ba umia say ade no Mahama ntoaso enti oba be wie ni nyina wo so se wo
nim hu ja what dey okeke bikeke ba me
ono na so no wa be vice president
ba me ono ye committee kra na efre oh Nyamishra Sewia hospital eno kra mo refi
the refi but
mo wie Sewia
eye adwuma na no me ko ho
captain go ho
ye mi refi so no your friend say leki no
Bosonche
wako ho na say wako ho na say
mo de ferry akoto so na
ferry bia ye di akosi so Bosonche akoya wope educhum the school no the only candidate was see private school they are chairman educhum incoming education minister cum president onya 5 vote to kwa nyame o be win abano easily yes ama in school no cry friend say school no the friend say
school here
school ya de baye ye baye na de baye TVET eno kwa Ashanti region kwa ye mom 10 TVET
is kosi hini
education minister Kurumo Tebuom enkawe to ase bekwai your friends say baako yesi no ofoli kuru o kumase
ofoli side be
o we see ofoli kuru ko bo 5
na o pesa ide na
bo 4 na aka no
na ohini tepa
tepa mahine
see
dia dance
Frenai Frenu na busa no Dombo so dey say momu gold mines Dombo so gold mines unmana G yan ya ba power yetimi didi sika e di renovative G Babia ya yalia na Asante man nyina be ko ho essay senya na na kufu adoba wo me adawuruma ene e ba ye ne si G ya renovate a e do how bema the only children's hospital a champion see ye ene ya ba be ye ene ya ba be renovate G a ene say we Asantini na yale a wo ko G a
ati konfa no chenye otu for na renovate ye mo ana mo ye
say ye ka kire otu for so woni ani
ana kwa you be sango kuma sibi
na na ani
jini de hwewo ye
because
enesa udro
ya gigi sika no
airport asawado
won tiase ya gigi sika na ye $58 million ene ye ka say cathedral ni hia muntie ni cathedral ni hia na wo kumase no nko ade ono so gigi sika no ntie the $58 million no ebe si cathedral wo captain asori a wo kono
so cement grab go
cement you know this matter me bo akache be bo
o mo
ye kokusi bo ati ko je cement no captain
energy nana yeah alala sulala so ye jisika ye dia ni mu Mahmoud kura ba o me akoma 2 billion wo de so a ye de ye G kakran ye G e dis obi ka kire wo se MPP ye bibi
ye wa Ashanti
region ka kire dipa ne se ene 2028 man nto abama MPP but if they still vote for MPP that means omoji de make an too
me da say